friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. What's up guys, it's NG. Welcome to NGworld. My friends, today I'll be showing you how to get rid of gray hair and get shiny black hair from the roots instantly guys, and permanently with just one single use of this, and it's all natural. So let's start. The first thing guys you will need is 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. And guys, you cannot use the seeds like this. And also 1 tablespoon of henna powder. And 2 sachets of black tea leaves. And take the leaves out the sachet like so guys. And this recipe guys, it will give you a very dark hair and shiny hair. Now squeeze on this guys 1 lemon juice like so, and guys you need to put more lemon as needed. Like if you found it a very thick paste and you cannot apply it to hair, then you need to add a little bit of lemon. And keep mixing the ingredients until you find it like it has a thick consistency paste. And as you can tell, I get like a little bit thick, and then I added a little bit of lemon juice. And guys, the thing behind this will turn your hair jet black and shiny, because lemon juice guys will make each hair absorb the color and get it black, the natural shine, and it will help it to get rid of the bad oils, and it will nourish your hair with the henna. It's known for thousands of years that it's very healthy for hair. And black tea leaves guys will stop hair loss, and it will give you like a healthy perfect hair guys. So apply this on the hair and wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour guys. You need to wait from 30 minutes to 1 hour guys, and then wash your hair like you normally do, and you will see the results guys. It's from the first use guys. So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.